Christ, and we praise you. Taking the body, Joseph wrapped it in clean linen and laid it in his new tomb that he had hewn in the rock. Then he rolled a huge stone across the entrance to the tomb and departed.
Jesus, my son, have mercy on us. Have mercy in the world. My beautiful Jesus, He died for our sin. My shelter, my prison. Jesus, Jesus, my son. Jesus, my son. My beloved son, Jesus. Jesus, it's the way that you die. Oh, Lord, Jesus, my son.
Song by the choir.